Each year, when the weather turns nice, we start a new undertaking to spring clean our home. This year's attempt is promising. Meticulously weighing the merits of everything in my room, Mr. Freckles, of course. It has been pointed out to me that the exercise is to keep and discard. Child's play. One must consider the pros and cons, judging value with an impartial perspective. Very judicious. It is hard work, but someone must do it. For getting our home in order is a worthy endeavor. From the least essential to the most. And though a challenging process, the fruits of my labor have been realized. Leadership can be so difficult, yet so rewarding.